me on humming low, broken ring finger, whiskey on slow. Divorce papers heavy, tears in her eyes. Still sleeping with his ghost, still telling his lies. She said she wanted healing, said she wanted new, but every kiss tasted like deja vu. I said no love, baby, I'm just here for the night. She said that's fine, but she held me too tight. Now she looks at me cold like a clock on the wall. No spark in her touch, no fire at all. She rolls her eyes, don't even move her hips, says just hurry up and make it quick. Yeah, hurry up, make it quick. Hurry up, make it quick. She kept me for comfort, kept me for skin, thinking of him while she let me in. Said it's only you, said I'm done with the past, but I kept my guard up, knew nothing good lasts. She learned my rhythm, learned my name, learned how to play along. Slow game, yeah, twice a day, man, morning to night. Back when the wrong thing felt so right. Now she looks at me bored like I'm wasting her time, like love's just a chore and passion's a crime. She lays there flat, don't even twitch, says just hurry up and make it quick. Hey. Yeah, hurry up, make it quick. Yeah, hey. Hurry up, make it quick. She met my kids, wore a borrowed smile, played house, played mom, played fake for a while. Couple months later she said let's combine. In my gut I knew better, but I crossed the line. 6 years gone, now I'm stuck in a chair, looking at a stranger who don't even care. She drove my dogs far from my door. Lost one forever, can't take that score. She used to be cool, now she large and loud. Queen of the room, head in the clouds. Just took my fun, my health, my soul, left me aging fast, losing control. I'm always wrong, always to blame. Can't do a damn thing right in this game. I bend, I break, I bite my tongue. She calls it love, I call it numb. So sex once a month like a bill unpaid. She don't touch back, just lets it fade. No heat, no sweat, no switch flips. And just hurry up and make it quick. Yeah, hurry up, make it quick. Oh, hurry up, make it quick. Woo! Hurry up, make it quick. Hurry up, make it quick. Yeah. Funny how a nerve turned ice so fast. Funny how the future eats the past. Now I'm sitting here watching the years go by, with a woman who don't see me try. She taps her phone, don't even look, says the line that wrote this whole damn book. Just hurry up and make it quick.
On it here, we'll do a third gear pull straight here, starting at about 8 grand. And are you guys ready? Let's see how this does here. 8 grand, and we'll see how fast this pulls. That's just a quick pull, not too shabby, not too shabby.